Got this build finally back at the shop to make some final adjustments on the suspension, but I wanted to give you guys a quick walkthrough of this car. Turned out super good. We'll start at the top. We've got Freedom Motorsports cage. It's a local fabricator to us here in Medford, Oregon, that builds these cages with the glass windshield and the roof and the light bar and everything on it. That came out super good. Also, our mechanic Fred, he hand painted the car. That came out really good. You can't really see it in the videos, but it like shimmers pink in the sunlight. Like, I love the color. It came out super good. As far as everything else goes, customer did almost Zbros everything. We did a full set of Zbros A-arms, uppers and lowers. It got a full MTS spring kit on it. All the springs and everything in the arms. Got powder coated to match. That pink is really cool. It's got tons of flake in it. We'll move around to the back. Customer also did the Zbros trailing arms and the Intense Series radius rods from Zbros, which are super cool. Also did the H&S intake. As you can see, that intake comes up through there. Get your air filter out of the way and out of the sand. Really like the way that those come out when they're done. Painted even in the inside and the trunk and everything, trunk area. They have full trail exhaust with a dual tip exit. Probably one of our favorites. Inside, did a set of pink PRP harnesses. Did a New Glory steering wheel. A set of PRP full doors for this car. But we really love the way this car turned out and the color scheme. You don't see very many of them like that in that hot pink and pearl white like that. All the parts here were supplied by us at UTVObsessions.com. If you guys need any of this stuff, or you guys need to do a build like this yourself, get a hold of us and we can help you through the process. But just another example of one of our customers' cars turning out super good. Make sure you follow us on YouTube and Instagram to get more content of all of our builds, to see all the different color schemes and everything we like doing on these cars. But if you see this car out on the dunes, make sure you stop and say hi. But we appreciate you watching.